Hello. So here's another chocolate that I have made today. It's of ganache and strawberry. So we are going to take a look at how there are two flavors in this. So you can see the soft centers. So as you can see, the soft ganache in the center, and these are almonds here, so it's an almond filling ganache. Yeah. So this is one, and we are going to do one more surprise here. You can see here, this is a strawberry ganache with bits of strawberry. It's having strawberry filling in the center. Yes. There's another one which I have cut earlier. This is also strawberry, as you can see, filling. Thank you for watching. The number will be given below for ordering if you want to order. Thank you for watching once again. Click the like and share button. Bye bye.